Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm holding this beautiful packet and maybe you already know what I'm going to do, so let's say it. Welcome to my first unboxing video. I was a bit unsure if I must do or not this video. I always thought such things like, oh, come on, no one is interested about that. But then I realized it was completely wrong. Since I started this cosplay, I always have two missing pieces to complete it. The jacket and the gun. And finally I got the gun! I've been searching for the perfect gun for months, then I found this on Etsy where I bought most of the pieces for my cosplay, and now I'm so excited to review what's inside this box. Okay, got scissors, let's open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. Okay. As you can see, I'm sweating. I'm so excited and I'm sweating a little bit. Oh. Oh, another box inside. First part done, second part. Okay, now remove all this plastic wrap. Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Guys, look at that! This is my gun! Oh my god! This gun is from Pius 3D, and as I already said, I bought it on Etsy. It's 3D printed and it's great. It's so shiny and amazingly made. It comes with this, I don't know, it's called stopper. But I definitely put it on my gun during conventions just to be sure that nobody will arrest me. There's two ways to get this gun. You can buy it finished like mine, or just get the 3D kit to assemble and paint. Look at the pretty details. The seller told me I was going to make an upgrade and asked me if I wanted new just the logo, which is this one, and I say of course I want it. And look at that, it's great. It doesn't weigh at all, it's like holding a cloud, and it's great. I need to buy a new screen accurate gun holster, by the way, because mine is actually too small and probably won't fit it. That should be my next purchase. I need to save money. Oh my god, I love it so much. Bam. Thank you guys for watching my first unboxing video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you want to see more unboxing videos in the future. Thank you so much. Bye.